This is the Keplin 65-litre wheelbarrow, also available in an 85-litre, and just to show you how big the box is, but I can carry it nice and freely, which is a great start. Let's see what's in the box. Like this, because of the frame, it's just 7.5 kilograms, but it can hold up to 100 kilograms, and it's 65 litres. This is what's in the box. Instructions too, and very easy to pop together. So great to see the pneumatic tyre is already pumped up and easy to access. The thing I'm just going to point out, I'm just showing you what it's like halfway through putting it together, just so you've got an idea if you come to do it and don't read the instructions. It doesn't come with a little spanner. Like a lot of things come with little spanners in the kit now, so make sure you've got a spanner that will fit these. And there's just a rundown of what you'll need. It's an M80x40 or M8 nut, sorry. First mistake, just make sure you've got these on the right way round. So this is the wrong way round, because the wheel doesn't fit if you get it the wrong way round. There we have it, the Keplin 65-litre wheelbarrow, also available in 85. I hope that's been useful for anyone that's looking to buy this, and it just shows you what's in the box. I just think it's really handy just to see before you go and buy it.